Alright guys, we're back. Cleveland RV. Just taking a look at some of the newer models that they have in today. Some of the Bushwhacker series and the Northern Spirits. And then on the other side, something really cool. These new Explorer campers. Little lightweight campers here. Really awesome. So we're going to get a video of some of these today. Of course they carry the chassis too. These are all new campers. A little bit of a look at the information here. What it says, the total weight this thing can hold is 4,400 pounds. So it's definitely, you can tell this is a small SUV. Probably even small pickup. Once again, power jacks. All of these have power jacks. Twin propane tanks. They're going to have your rain gutters. They're going to have your magnetic hold opens here for your doors. Nice large pass through here. A lot of storage under here is your propane regulators and the power plug. These all come upgraded with aluminum wheels, nitrogen filled tires. There's your fresh and city water connections here. This is your power port. Nope, solar charge control right here. It's pre-wired for solar panels. There's your power port, cable TV, all your sewer connections here, fridge vent. Said even the spare has an aluminum wheel. There's your outdoor shower, all LED lighting, pre-wired for backup camera. Camper is equipped with a power awning. Looks like it's going to have a bunkhouse. See your water heater here. Have a 120 outlet right there. Not sure what this is. Possibly more storage. Yep, that's some more under bunk storage here. Of course, this model does not have an outdoor kitchen. It does have outdoor speakers. There's your furnace outlet. Standard steps. Gas assisted door. Step on in. This does not have a slide. Looks like it's got a front queen size bed. Small dinette right here as you come in. Small kitchen with a smaller stainless sink. Does have the same stoves you find in all of these as this stove and oven setup, as well as the microwave. This is in everything here. Right here you have your controls for your lights, your power awning, gas. Water heater also has electric. It is both. And your water pump controls, as well as all your tank level controls right here. Refrigerators on the other side of the bunks here. Small twin size bunks with their own LED lighting and USB charging or controls here, both sides. So not a lot of storage in here, but it's a very small camper. So you can almost tow this thing with a car. Size kitchen. Oh, it is got some more storage across the back here. Well, there's your radio. You also have an HDMI input right here. USB. Nice. Not sure where you would put the TV, but hey. Oh, there you go. There's a TV backer right there. And your plugs and everything right here. So you can put a small TV. This also has a little nightstand area there with a power 120 and USB there. One small hanging closet. And over bunk storage here. LED lighting. Does not have roof ducted AC that I can tell. Looks like everything's going to be right here. Oh well, even this one has a bigger bathroom than that first one we looked at, guys. You got enough room to do your business here. Got a fairly decent size little tub. Just enough room. The skylight there give you a little more headroom. And look at all this room here to get to the sink. That's nice. It has a small medicine cabinet here. Small little bit of storage here. And should be some under the sink. Yep. A little storage here under the sink for towels and toilet paper and such. And your fantastic fan. Nice, light camper that they really have managed to squeeze a lot into. Small 4-person dinette here. Might be able to get you a chair on the end here, fit your 5th person. Because right now you got sleeping for more people than you got table. Not usually the case though. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright guys, the 2023 Riverside Xplorer 190 bunkhouse. I'll show you the price here at $23,995 and MSRP. What you're saving is it sleeps 5. 22 foot long and weighs 3,500 pounds. And like I said, out there on the sticker says the most you can put in here is 4,400. That's still, well, you can tow this with a freaking Jeep, small SUV, small pickups. Will all handle this. Even some minivans might even be able to handle this. It's almost impossible to get this to actually go where you can see anything here, guys. I apologize for that. But I said, if you guys are looking for a small camper that's got a lot of features, more modern interior look, and you can tow with just about anything, come over to Cleveland RV. Take a look at what they got here, guys. You might find something you want. These guys are great. They'll make you a deal.